Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how can you remove any watermark from any video you have on your device right now in 2023. So let's jump right into it. Now we'll need to go to your browser, so let's go ahead and open the Chrome browser. And then in the search box, search for how to remove watermark from video. Or you can just search for remove watermark from video to find this website that I'm going to show you in a second. So right here, you could scroll down a little bit and find this media.io website right here. You can just search for it in the first place and then tap on it to open it. Once you open it, scroll down and tap right here on remove watermark from video. Now from here, you need to upload your video. So choose the video from your gallery. As you can see here, I'm going to upload this TikTok video, and after uploading it, all you need to do is to brush this watermark in the top left corner and then play the video until the next watermark shows up, and you need to brush it again in the bottom right of the video right here. So I'm just gonna brush it, and once I'm done, all I need to do now is to tap on export in the top right corner. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now all I need to do is to download this video without the watermark to your gallery. So tap on download. Now once you download it, it will be in your gallery without the watermark. So let's go ahead and play it right now. So tap on the play button to play the video. And as you can see, there is no watermark on the video. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.